Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Nissan Altima. First, let's check some common culprits. Begin by inspecting your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Next, observe the AC compressor clutch. It should engage when the AC is on. Finally, listen for any unusual sounds like grinding or squealing, which might indicate a failing component. These initial checks are quick and can often pinpoint simple issues. A common reason for poor AC performance is low refrigerant. You can easily check this yourself with an AC recharge kit, available at most auto parts stores. Locate the low-pressure service port, usually marked with an L cap, and connect the kit's gauge. The gauge will show your current refrigerant pressure, indicating if a top-off is needed. Follow the kit's instructions carefully for accurate results. If your refrigerant is low, recharging the system is the next step. With the engine running and AC on high, slowly add the refrigerant from the kit. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge as you add. It's crucial not to overcharge the system, as this can cause more problems. Stop adding once the gauge reads within the recommended green zone, typically around 30 to 45 psi on the low side. Sometimes the issue isn't mechanical but electrical. Start by checking the AC fuses in your Altima's fuse box. A blown fuse can completely disable the system. Next, consider the AC relay. You can often swap it with a known good relay, like the horn relay, to test it. Finally, ensure all electrical connections to the compressor and other AC components are clean and secure. These steps can resolve many electrical glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.